work power energy, fifth class. So in the last video we came to know that what is positive work done and what is the negative work done. Once again, work done is the positive when body displaces in the direction of force or the component of the force. And this is the first condition. And second condition is work done is negative when body displaces opposite to the force direction. Opposite to the force direction. That means you are applying the force in this way. Suppose another force is acting, air or something to move, push back the body. So body is moving backward, but we are applying the force up. It's in this right side, and the body is moving towards left. So this is negative work done, we say. Work done is negative. These are both examples we can give by the thrown up body. In thrown up body, when body goes up by applying some force, so work done is positive with respect to applied force. But work done is negative with respect to acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. That is G. That means when a body throws up, it moves in the direction of force applied. So it is positive work done with respect to the force applied. But with respect to the gravity, gravity is acting down, body is moving up. So we can take it as a negative with respect to acceleration due to gravity. Now third case, work done is 0. Work done is 0 when force is perpendicular to displacement. Perpendicular to displacement. That means F work done is equal to Fs cos theta. So when body is displacing in this way and force is applying in this way, the angle is 90, so perpendicular. So in this case body will not move. So 0. So here work done when the force is perpendicular to the displacement, the work done is 0. Work done is 0. As in the case of circular motion, body is displacing in this direction, force is acting in this direction toward the center. This is the displacement and this is the force. So angle is 90. So in the circular motion work done is 0. Therefore in circular motion work done is 0. Okay. So in the first case, work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Theta is less than 90 any degree. And in second case, work done is equal to, here theta is 0, theta is less than 90 or theta is equal to 0 as here. In the body displacing in this way, force acting in this way, theta is angle is 0. So if a body displacing in this, force is acting in another direction, suppose body displacing in this way, force acting in this way, suppose angle is theta, this angle is must be less than 90. So if it is equal to 90, like this it will come, then work done become 0. So in first case, Fs cos theta, theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to is less than 90. In second case, Fs cos theta, theta is equal to, theta is greater than 0 or theta is equal to 180. So in this case, suppose here body is displacing in this way, force acting in this way, body displacing in this way. So suppose the angle between this and this is 180. And in third case, work done is equal to Fs cos theta and theta is equal to 90. Therefore Fs cos 90, so here cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore work done is equal to 0. So these are the three cases. Okay.